Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are well at home. So today we are going to start with the third chapter in Maths 4th standard part 1. So let us begin this lesson. Now in this lesson we are going to study different mathematical calculations which you have already done in 3rd standard. Mathematical calculation. Which are the mathematical calculations you are doing? Yes, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So through the story, in this lesson also the lesson is based on a story, and from that you have to calculate the different things and find out the answer. So let us begin this lesson with a small story. It's a very beautiful story. Just look at here on page number 23. A trip to Bhopal. The name of the lesson is A Trip to Bhopal. I told you it's a math subject, but based on stories you have to calculate. Right? Now let us start the lesson. Today Sugandha is very excited. बहुत खुश थी सुगंधा. All the children of her school are going on a trip to Bhopal with their teachers. So सभी बच्चे, you are also getting excited when you come to know that we are going for trip. So Sugandha also was very excited because all the children of her school, they are going to Bhopal. Where they are going? Bhopal with their teachers. Miss Meenakshi and Mr. Rakesh are talking about the number of buses needed. अभी teachers अंदर discuss कर रहे थे कि कितनी बस चाहिए रहेगी. So from standard 1st to 5th, the trip was going to Bhopal and the teacher were discussing how many buses are needed. So let us hear the discussion between the Miss Meenakshi and Rakesh sir is given here. So Miss Meenakshi said, we will need 4 buses. कितनी चाहिए थी buses? ऐसी बोली madam, 4 buses. So Mr. Rakesh said, I think we need at least 5. Mr. Rakesh, वो सर ने बोला कि नहीं 5 buses चाहिए. Miss Meenakshi said, each bus has 50 seats. उन्होंने कैलकुलेट किया कि एक बस बड़ी है तो उसमें कितनी सीट्स थी? 50 seats. So Mr. Rakesh said, let us see how many children are going. So first of all, they have to calculate how many total number of children are going for a trip. So they have made a column and they have written the number of students going for a trip. Now have a look at the board. See, from the class 1, number of students are going for a trip are 33. From class 2, 32. From class 3, from 3rd standard, 42 students. From class 4, 50 students. And from class 5, 5th, 53 students. So this, from standard 1st to 5th, number of children are going, number of children going for a trip are given here. So first of all, we have to add it. I told you before also. In this lesson, there are different mathematical calculations. So first we are here. For total, we have to add this number of students. So let us add 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. Right. So 0, 1 carry. 3 plus 1, here 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. And 16 plus 5, 21. You can use your hands for calculating or for adding the numbers. So 21. So write it here 21. So how many children are going for a trip? 210. Now based on this story, there are a few questions on the same page. See the first question. So there are dash children going. So here we have calculated total number of students going for a Bhopal trip. So how many students total? 200. So what you will write here? Answer 210. Right? Next question. If they get 4 buses, how many children will get seats? See, if they are getting 4 buses, and already as madam discussed that in one bus 50 students can sit. So sit. How many total seats? 50 seats in a one bus. And they were discussing about how many buses to get? 4 buses. So how many seats are there in 4 buses? 50 into 4, 200 seats. So what you will write here answer? 200 seats. Right? Next question. Will there be any children left without seats? कोई बच्चा ऐसा रह जाता है जिसे सीट नहीं मिलेगी? Because there are number of buses, they are discussing 4, and in each bus 50 seats were there. So total seat in a 4 buses are 200 seats. But look at here, how many children were there? They have counted from 1st to 5th standard, 210. So to find out the number of seats left, see the calculation over here. Total number of children minus total number of seats. See here we have calculated total number of seats 200, and here total number of children going for a trip is 210. So what you have to do? Minus कितने बच्चे जिसको सीट नहीं मिलेगी. So 210 students are going for a trip, and number of seats in 4 buses are 200. So if you minus it, how many children will left? They will not get the seat in bus to sit? 10. So what you will write here? 10 children left. So there are 10 children are not getting place to sit in a bus, because each bus accommodate only 50 students. Right? This calculation we have done as per page number 23. Now let us move on further. Now see again, madam is discussing for just a few children we can't get another bus. क्योंकि 10 बच्चे ही बचे हैं. For 10 अभी 10 बच्चे बचे हैं, तो उसके लिए पूरी एक बस 50 सीट वाली लेंगे, तो इट विल बी वेरी कॉस्टली फॉर देम. सो दिस अदमी सेड दैट वी कैन शेयर सीट्स. सो ऐसा कर सकते हैं कि अगर 10 चिल्ड्रन बच गए, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग प्लेस टू सिट, सो दे कैन अकोमोडेट, दे कैन शेयर द सीट्स. सो एक सीट पे 2 जन बैठे हैं, तो 3 जन एडजस्ट करके, एंड यू ऑल हैव विजिटेड गॉन फॉर ट्रिप, और आपको पता है कि कैसे आप एडजस्ट करके फ्रेंड्स के साथ बैठ जाते हो. राइट? सो आपको भी एंजॉय करते हो ना, जब भी आपकी पता चले कि आपको पिकनिक जानी है, ट्रिप जाना है, तो सब फ्रेंड्स के बाजू में बैठने के लिए आप कितना पहले से तैयारी चालू कर देते हैं. सो जो 10 बच्चे बचे थे, तो सब चिल्ड्रन एक दूसरे को मिलके शेयर करके वो एकोमोडेट हो जाएंगे 4 बसेस में. दिस हाउ द टीचर्स वर डिस्कसिंग. लेट अस मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज 24. वेटिंग फॉर द बसेस. अभी देखो डिस्कस हो चुका कि 210 चिल्ड्रन, 4 buses, and whatever 10 children left, so they will share the seats with other children. So now they are ready for trip and they are waiting for buses. Sahiba jumps out of the line to see if the buses are coming. आप भी करते हो ना ऐसा कि जब आप लाइन में खड़े कर देते हैं आपको बसेस में जाने के लिए, तो as soon as the Sahiba saw the bus, she jumped out of the line. वो लाइन में सब बच्चे खड़े थे, but she came out of the line. She shouts loudly, "Hey, I can see them!" और जोर से चिल्लाई, अरे I can see the bus, अरे आ गई अपनी बस, हुड रे. She was very happy. Run, grab the window seats. और बोला कि चलो भागो, विंडो सीट्स पकड़ो. और आपको भी पता है when you go for picnic, तो आप भी विंडो सीट के लिए तैयार कैसे हो जाते हो? यू लाइक टू सी द थिंग्स अराउंड, कि कैसे कोई माउंटेन है, ओपन फील्ड है, आपको उस विंडो सीट पे बैठना कितना मजा आता है. तो शाइबा was very excited and she shouted, "Run and grab the seats of window." तो सब बच्चे ऐसे थोड़े लाइन से निकल आए. Then what happened? Miss started. Meenakshi ma'am said, "Stop! What is this? These buses are so small." लेकिन मैडम ने देखा कि ये बस तो मिनी बस, छोटी छोटी बसें हैं, तो ये बस तो बहुत छोटी है. सो शी टॉक टू द ड्राइवर ऑफ बसेस, "वी टोल्ड यू टू ब्रिंग बिग बसेस." कि मैंने आपको बोला था कि बिग बस लेके आओ, एक बस में 50 स्टूडेंट्स आए, ऐसी बस चाहिए हमें. सो ड्राइवर सेड, "वी डिड नॉट हैव इनफ बिग बसेस, सो वी गॉट मैनी मिनी बसेस." तो ड्राइवर ने बोला कि हमारे पास छोटी छोटी बसें हैं, बड़ी बसें ज़्यादा नहीं थी, तो हमने सभी बसें मिनी बस लेके आए. नाउ मिनी बस में भी नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन विल बी लेस कंपेयर टू द बिग बस. सो अगेन यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट. सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ईच मिनी बस कैन टेक 35 students. How many mini buses are needed? Question again I am repeating. Each mini bus can take 35 students. बड़ी बस थी उसमें तो 50 students थे, बट मिनी बसेस में कितने स्टूडेंट्स एकोमोडेट कर सकते थे? 35 स्टूडेंट्स. सो हाउ मेनी मिनी बसेस आर needed? So we are now going to solve this question, right? Now how to find out we want how many mini buses we need. Okay, for that number of mini buses needed is equal to, if you have to calculate the number of mini buses, because in one bus 35 students can sit and we have total number of 210 students from standard 1st to 5th. So number of mini buses we have to calculate is equal to total number of children. So how many total number of children we have counted first? Yes, it's 210. Right? Divide by number of seats in each mini bus. एक मिनी बस में कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठ सकते हैं? Because there are 35 seats, so 35 students can sit in one bus. So divide by number of seats in each mini bus. हर एक बस में 35 स्टूडेंट्स बैठ सकते हैं, but we have total number of 210 students. So we have to divide. I'll show you how to divide. See, 210 divide by 35. So as we have done in third standard also division, the best way to divide is this number 35 divisor, you have to multiply by 5. You don't know the table of 35. So what you do, whatever divisor is there, you first multiply by 5. So you will come to know that this number is nearest about the table, like 35 6 7 8 or before that 35 4 3 or 2. So better is calculate in this way. 5 5 25, 2 carry, 3 5 15, add this carry, 16 70, 175. That means 175 is smaller than 210. So you have to calculate further. आपको पहले नहीं calculate करना है. 35 4 3 2 नहीं करना है. आपको क्या करना है? आगे जाना है. So multiply by 35 by 6. 6 5 30, 0 and 3 carry. 6 3 18. So add 18 में 3 ऐड करेंगे तो 19 20 21. So here 21. So it's exactly same as our dividend, right? So 35 6 210, right? So how many mini buses we need? We got the answer 6. So what you will write here? 6 mini buses. Got it? So I told you before also, in this lesson it's a story based question, but we are doing all the mathematical calculations. We have added, we have subtracted, we have multiplied, and we have also divided sums, right? Just look at here and you can take a screenshot and write it in your notebook. Okay? Okay, you can write this answer in your notebook and you can show the calculation like this. Okay, so let's move further. Next page, we are on now 25 page number. Okay, now Mr. Rakesh sir, he said, come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock. So trip ka time ho gaya tha, and Rakesh said, come on children, be seated in the bus. It's already 9 o'clock. So now the journey begins. Abhi majja aayega bachcho ko, because journey started. They all have seated in bus and they are shouting and they are enjoying with their friends. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. सब जोर से चिल्ला रहे थे और गा रहे थे. आप भी करते हो ना, पिकनिक में जाते हो तो जोर जोर से गाना गाते हो. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. जो विंडो सीट पे बैठे थे, they were enjoying the green views. पूरी बहुत सारे मस्त खेत दिख रहे थे, green mountains दिख रहे थे, तो they were enjoying that. And few children were singing loudly. They were playing Antakshari. You are also playing Antakshari, no, when you go for a picnic with your friends? Yes. Now Indra, one of the students said, when will we reach Bhopal? अभी आप भी बस में बैठते तो नहीं होता, जहाँ पहुँचना होता है, कब पहुँचेंगे आप करते हो ना. So Indra also asking sir, madam, that then will we reach Bhopal? So Miss Asha said, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. That is around -o'clock. देखो, they have started the journey at 9 o'clock, right? So Miss Asha said that if we don't stop anywhere, अगर हम कहाँ पे भी नहीं रुकेंगे, तो हम कितने बजे पहुंच जाएंगे? फिर you just calculate. They have started the journey at 9 o'clock, right? For that, I'll show you on the board. Okay, look at here. We'll calculate on the board. If they start their journey at 9 o'clock, look at here. See, everybody know how to watch time on clock, right? 12 o'clock, here it's 6, 9, 3, 1. This is how the numbers time is shown on the clock, right? And there are 2 hands. Clock में आपने थर्ड में भी किया था. 2 hands of the clock. Small hand, it shows the hours, and long hand that shows the minutes. So 9 o'clock आप कैसे बताओगे? This is the 9. Short hand, it shows the hour, and long hand, it shows the minute. So it is exactly 9 o'clock, right? And they said that if you don't stop anywhere, अगर हम कहाँ पे भी नहीं रुकेंगे और कंटिन्यू बस चालू ही रहेगी, तो हम लोग 2 घंटे में पहुँच सकते हैं. So what will be the time? So 9 o'clock के बाद क्या बजेगा? 10 बजेगा. Rest 10 o'clock, and after 1 more hour it will be 11 o'clock. So आपको कितने बजे हम पहुँच जाएंगे वहाँ पर? अगर कहाँ पे भी नहीं रुके तो मैडम ने बोला yes 11 o'clock, right? Now further, if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there before 10 o'clock. अगर भीमबेटका जा रहे हैं, भोपाल जाते हुए बीच में भीमबेटका नाम की प्लेस आ रही है. So if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there what time? See here 3 options are given. Before 10 o'clock, between 10 or 11, और after 11 o'clock. देखो यहाँ पे एक और एक हमारा रह गया यहाँ पर the conversation between the teachers. Manjit was asking, is it very far? उसको पता चला कि 2 घंटा लग सकता है. So he was asking, the Bhopal is very far. So Mr. Bhimsen said it is about 70 किलोमीटर. क्या बोला उन्होंने कि हम जहाँ से शुरू किया स्कूल से भोपाल तक का डिस्टेंस कितना किलोमीटर है? 70 किलोमीटर. सो रूबी अगेन आस्क्ड, आर वी गोइंग टू स्टॉप एनीवेयर? हम कहाँ रुकने वाले हैं? सो मिस्टर राकेश सेड मे बी एट भीमबेटका अबाउट 50 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम हियर. तो बोला कि भोपाल तो 70 किलोमीटर पे है, लेकिन भीमबेटका है जो 50 किलोमीटर पहले आ रहा है, तो हम शायद वहां पे रुके. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस कन्वर्जेशन क्वेश्चन इज, इफ दे गो टू भीमबेटका दे विल रीच देयर. अगर वो भीमबेटका पहुंच रहे हैं तो वो कितने बजे पहुंचेंगे? बिफोर 10 o'clock, बिटवीन 10 o'clock एंड 11 o'clock, और आफ्टर 11 o'clock. अभी आप देखिए यहाँ पर भोपाल फ्रॉम स्कूल देयर ट्रिप इज गोइंग टू भोपाल, राइट? They started at 9 o'clock, and if they don't stop, they will reach there at 11 o'clock. But according to the conversation between the teacher and the student, they said if they start their journey at 9 o'clock from the school, right? But before reaching the Bhopal, if they take a halt at Bhimbetka. Okay, Bhopal is 70 kilometer away from the school, and Bhimbetka is 50 kilometer away from the school. So 3 options are given here. तो वो कितने बजे पहुंचेंगे? बिफोर 10 o'clock. इज इट पॉसिबल? क्योंकि 70 किलोमीटर है, उसका हाफ करो तो कितना हो जाएगा? 35 किलोमीटर होगा, राइट? सो वो तो 10 बजेगा तभी. सो 35 से ज्यादा है 50. सो हियर यू हैव टू यूज योर लॉजिक, राइट? सो 70 किलोमीटर भोपाल तक का डिस्टेंस 11 o'clock तक खत्म कर सकते हैं, बट 50 किलोमीटर मतलब 70 से भी कम है, राइट? सो 10 बजे तो नहीं पहुंच सकते. सो मे बी दे आर रीचिंग बिटवीन 10 to 11 बिकॉज एग्जैक्टली 11 o'clock दे आर गोइंग टू रीच एट भोपाल, बट दे आर स्टॉपिंग एट 50 किलोमीटर भीमबेटका. सो दे विल रीच at Bhimbetka between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock. So with the pencil you just put a tick mark here. The correct answer is this. So between 10 o'clock and 11 o'clock they will reach to Bhimbetka. Let us move further. As they are talking, Bahadur shouts, "Hey, look at the Narmada." Everyone looks out of the windows. नर्मदा इज़ अ रिवर. आपको पता है ना, हमारे गुजरात में से सूरत भरूच के साइड आप जाओ तो वहाँ पे नर्मदा रिवर है. देखा है आपने ब्रिज. सो दे ऑल चिल्ड्रन वर शाउटिंग, हे लुक एट नर्मदा रिवर. एवरीवन लुक्स आउट ऑफ द विंडो. सब खिड़की में से देखने लग गए कि वाओ, river is looking so beautiful, it's so long. So Ruby said, wow, it is so long and so wide. इतनी लंबी है रिवर, इतनी चौड़ी भी है, इतनी वाइड भी है. So let us guess how wide it is. तो चलो देखते हैं कि कितनी लंबी होगी ये. Again here they are assuming the wideness of river. So let us move on next page 26. Gopi said, oh, 100 मीटर. सो दे आर स्टार्टेड गेसिंग. वो सोचने लगे कि कितना, चलो गैस करो कि कितनी वाइड होगी. सो 100 मीटर. नो, इट इज़ मच मोर, कांट से. सो वो भी कंफ्यूज हो गई, नहीं 100 मीटर तो नहीं हो सकता, इट मे बी मोर देन दैट. सो विक्टोरिया सेड इट मस्ट बी मोर देन हाफ अ किलोमीटर. तो उनको लगा, विक्टोरिया को लगा कि आधे किलोमीटर से भी ज़्यादा. सो एज यू नो, सी हियर ऑलरेडी वी हैव डन 1 किलोमीटर is equal to 1000 मीटर एंड हाफ किलोमीटर होगा, आधा किलोमीटर होगा तो 1000 का आधा कितना होगा, 500 मीटर. सो हाफ किलोमीटर इज व्हाट, 500 मीटर. सो एवरीवन, ऑल चिल्ड्रन वर गेसिंग. तो विक्टोरिया बोल रही है इट मस्ट बी हाफ किलोमीटर, दैट इज 500 मीटर. एंड देन मिस आशा, टीचर सेड लुक, इट इज रिटन दिस ब्रिज इज 756.82 मीटर. तो ब्रिज के वहाँ पर एक पिलर जैसा होता है, वहाँ पे लिखा होता है ब्रिज की लेंथ. तो लिखी थी 756.82 मीटर्स लॉन्ग. सो वी कैन गेस दैट द नर्मदा मस्ट बी अबाउट 500 मीटर वाइड एट दिस प्लेस. तो देखो वो लोग जो ब्रिज थी, राइट, यहाँ से बस पास हो रही थी और उन्होंने देखा कि ये ब्रिज की जो लेंथ है वो कितना है, बुक में कितना दिया है, 750. सी व्हाट इज गिवन हियर, 756.82 मीटर, राइट. आप भी बस में या ट्रेन में कहाँ पे जाते हो तो ब्रिज में, वहाँ पे आप देखना ब्रिज की लेंथ मेजर की हुई रहती है. तो 756.82 मीटर ब्रिज की लेंथ थी. लेट अस कम हियर. सो वी कैन गेस दैट द नर्मदा मस्ट बी अबाउट 500 मीटर वाइड एट दिस प्लेस. तो शायद नर्मदा रिवर है वो 500 मीटर वाइड होगी, क्योंकि ब्रिज रिवर की और पहले से स्टार्ट हो जाता है. तो मे मस्ट बी नर्मदा रिवर 500 मीटर वाइड. ओके, नाउ वॉज विक्टोरिया राइट. आपको लगता है कि विक्टोरिया राइट है? आधा किलोमीटर मतलब कितना, मैंने अभी आपको बताया. सी हियर व्हाट आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू, 1 किलोमीटर इज व्हाट, 1000 मीटर. हाफ किलोमीटर इज व्हाट, 500 मीटर. सो विक्टोरिया वॉज राइट बिकॉज मिस आशा सेड दैट द रिवर must be 500 meter wide. So Victoria was right. So what you will write here answer, was Victoria right? Yes, Victoria was right. Then Sadaf said, I just can't imagine 500 meter. So Miss Asha said, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. वो ब्रिज से पास हो रहे थे. ब्रिज 500 मीटर, 756.82 मीटर वाइड था ब्रिज, राइट. रिवर दे वर गेसिंग मे बी 500 मीटर वाइड. सो मिस आशा आज द क्वेश्चन, अवर बस इज अबाउट 5 मीटर लॉन्ग. उनकी एक बस है वो कितनी मीटर लॉन्ग थी, 5 मीटर लॉन्ग. सो इमेजिन हाउ मैनी बसेस कैन स्टैंड इन अ लाइन ऑन दिस ब्रिज. तो कितनी बस खड़ी रह सकती है इतने लंबे ब्रिज पे. We'll do this calculation in next class. So children, just go through the whole lesson. Wherever the question is there, write the answer and copy it properly and find out the whatever discussed we have now, that you write in your rough. You just calculate. अगर एक बस 5 मीटर लॉन्ग है तो पूरी ब्रिज जो 756.82 मीटर है उसमें कितनी नंबर ऑफ बसेस चाहिए हमें. Okay, so you calculate this and we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you.